Assalamu alaikum. I'm Engineer Hamna Shakib. In this video, we will learn how to use single line text in AutoCAD. Go to the text panel in Annotate tab and select single line option from here. AutoCAD is asking you to specify first point of the text. Before specifying the first point, you can set the text style from here. Here you have got two default text styles. One is standard, the other one is annotative. And you also have one text style that we created in the previous video. So let's select my text style. After that, specify the first point of text on the screen. After specifying the first point, you have to specify the height. So you can specify the height on the screen, or you can type the text height in the command line. I'm going to go with 2. Press enter. After specifying the text height, you have to specify rotation angle of text. So I'm going to type 0. Press enter. So you can see on the screen a text cursor. You can start typing the text. If you want to go to the next line, press enter. Type the text that you want. If you want to add text anywhere else on the screen, you can click anywhere on the screen and you can see that text cursor appears there. So you can click anywhere and you can type whatever you want. Once you're done, press enter 2 times and you will be out of the text command. This type of text is called single line text because each line is considered as a separate element by AutoCAD. If you want to change properties of any of the text, you can click on the text, right click it, go to properties. In the properties, you have several options here. Go to the text option. And here you can change the height. Let's change the height from 2 to 3. You can change the angle of rotation. Let's go with 45. You also have some miscellaneous options. So you can change the text upside down. Or you can change the text to... So you can see here that this text has turned upside down and backward. Let's turn it back to normal. And to get out of the properties panel, you can click close here.